Hi guys! In the next video we're going to have a look at an introduction to alkanes, bonding in alkanes, the intermolecular forces of attraction, trends in the boiling points of our alkanes, the reactivity of our alkanes, reactions our alkanes undergo, looking at combustion, the products of combustion, radical substitution, catalytic converters, an exam style question, and finally a summary.
So let's have a look at what are alkanes. Well, you may well have met alkanes before. Alkanes are hydrocarbons, and what we mean by that is they're composed only of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Alkanes are saturated. What we mean by that is they contain only single carbon-to-carbon bonds. So here we have an example of an alkane. You can see it's composed only of carbon and hydrogen atoms, and there are only single carbon-to-carbon bonds. We can go ahead and name this alkane. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms in the chain. So the stem is going to be pent. Now we know that the suffix for our alkanes is ane, so this is pentane. Our alkanes form a homologous series. By that we mean they have a general formula, and the general formula for our alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in our molecule, and within our homologous series we see a gradation in the physical and chemical properties. So alkanes can be straight chain, and by straight chain we mean exactly that. There's a straight chain of carbon atoms. So here we have a straight chain alkane. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. It is pentane, as we saw above. We can also get branch chain alkanes. So this alkane, as you can see here, has a branched group. So this group over here makes our alkane branched. So the longest carbon chain is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons long. So the stem is going to be bute. Now we can see that on our second carbon we have this branch. The branch has only 1 carbon in. It is a methyl group. So the prefix is going to be methyl, and the locant of our prefix will be 2, as the methyl is on the second carbon. So we have 2-methyl butane. We can also get cyclic alkanes. Here we have a skeletal formula for a cyclic alkane containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, telling us the stem is going to be hex. As it's an alkane, the suffix will be ane. Now as it's cyclic, we have cyclohexane. So now I've had a look at what are alkanes, let's take a closer look at the bonding within the alkanes. So we know that our alkanes are hydrocarbons. They are made of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Now we know our carbon atoms have an electronic...
Hey guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the Snap Provide smiley face. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.